Okay, hello YouTube. My name is Karina. I'm hosting here in Talk, the community. So today we're talking about the programming, the technology. Every Friday I'm here to talking about this subject. And um, so the Talk is a platform, a community that you can learn in English, German, Spanish, and French. So we have immersion class. We only talk, and so we have class with subject. And so yes, if you have more information about the community, the token, so connecting access the website talkntalk.com.br, and that's it. So let's starting talking about programming technology.
Yeah.
So guys, Flavio, can you start? Can you read the first question?
Sure. What programming language have you learned so far?
Yes.
My main language is Java, and
Java.
I've been working in Java for 13 years, and I had the opportunity to change, but I still in this technology because I wanna I wanna be specialist, and uh,
Mm,
and uh, uh,
nice.
and I think I think if I maintain the same technology
Mm.
about many years, I can become a specialist.
Oh, nice. Yes.
But
Uh,
Java has many technologies
yeah.
around them. I worked with jQuery, I work with Angular front end,
Mm-hmm.
I worked with the many databases,
Mm-hmm.
mensagerias, and other and cloud. And I know I worked with Node.js too.
Oh, Node.js.
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Yes. The the Java programmer, we have a lot of opportunities, jobs around the world because the big companies use the Java. Yes, it's good. The in I think the college when you are learning the language, the first language. I think 10 years ago, Java. The teacher choose these languages to teach your students, but now I think Python is starting in the college. The teachers choose the Python to uh, choose these languages because I think more easy to the beginners programs to start to learn. Yes, but is
But
yes,
in the college, it not teaches Java more. Uh,
yes, teach,
okay.
but teach Java, but the teachers is choosing
Start.
other language like Python to start
Okay.
the for beginners program,
Okay.
yes, I think that's more I think the compare is more easy than Java when the people start to learn something. Yes,
Uh,
but
uh, and in the beginning, and uh, 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 cur- ac- nowadays,
mhm,
Java is easy to start because
is easy.
because
Okay.
after the time in Java was improve
Mm-hmm.
some things, but in the start of the Java, it's a little difficult to start to begin a project.
Mm-hmm.
We had to make many integrations, many configurations.
Yes, I remember that.
uh,
Many configurations.
and in the start and for example, someone one learning Java, but he has many configurations and be
Yes.
stay bored about this.
Yes, I remember that. I think that I don't like Java because of this. So many configurations before we start.
Yeah.
I think, yes, 80 years ago when I started a project at the college, I was doing a project with Android. I think that I was one day on the configuration to start the project. One day only doing configuration.
One day is nothing. I spending 1 week about it in it.
It's difficult. Because of this, I don't like
But
Java.
I think the Java is how Ferrari, for example. If you, it's more difficult to learn. I think I don't drive a Ferrari, but I think that it's more difficult than the normal cars.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
think, but então it's more difficult to start, but after that you learn, it's
Yeah.
become more easier,
Oh,
become
yes,
more
yes, yes.
productive.
Yeah, yeah, good, good. And about you, Flavia?
As I was talking with you, I'm not a programmer, and I'm not a tech
Yes, I know.
professional. I'm in a startup as a specialist in
Interior design.
yes, as interior designer. So, but it is very good to hear about you talking about this language, because I know the name of the language and how it's used to a front or a back.
Yeah.
And it's good to hear. So my work now is interesting because I'm in, how can I say, I'm studying a little about to understand some things like a API.
Yes, API.
Yes, and endpoints, because I have to check some things in dev tools, and
yeah.
I always looking for that language, and that's words and letters and numbers, and wow, how can I read something like this? It's like English. It's like I don't know. It's like study Greek.
Yes,
as another
yes.
language, and I'm very interested in this word now, but I'm not programming anything. So my job today is doing tests in the app and back office and in the app, and look what is working and what is not working, and check the APIs and and design the like I said, I do a little things, but a lot of things because our startup is so small, and we have to understand a little things, so it's an adventure for me.
Oh, okay. So I understand that you are interior design. I think that you do a graduate, okay, about this, but now you are working this company, the architecture company, the startup, but your role in this company is interior design or test?
No, because we develop a application for consumers that want to do renovations home.
Oh, okay.
So it's an app that have a lot of features. So I think I work in some kind of architecture, about
Okay.
the app. So we have to simulate the reality, the realities of renovations. So all the steps of renovation, like remove some floor, and then we have to apply some, I don't know the vocabulary of this word.
Okay, no problem. No
an
problem.
application, the renovation,
Okay.
the new floor and the new wall. So we work in this simulation in this app.
Nice.
So we have to structure and architecture this this flow, this user journey. So we designed this journey, and we have to test and create some other features to have more usability, and so it's like that.
Nice. So but you have curious, because you are working in a technology company, but have you ever semi-curious to learn some language? You are not, you know, okay, I know that you are not programming, but because of you are working at technology company, you know, architecture technology, I think all the professionals we have today technology, but you have curious the some language or something that I think this is interesting, and I want to learn more about that.
I think it's interesting, but I know I don't know. I think it's so difficult to me, and I prefer studying. I'm studying now. I'm doing many courses, but more in product. In product owner, product manager, and UX. So UX strategy, and so thinking about this service design.
Nice.
And UX design, and and thinking this is working in more in management than in like a specialist, because
nice.
But because I work like as an interior design, I had my own company in some for 7 years. So I have an experience in project management.
Nice.
So
nice.
I want to bring this background in management to work in this transition in architecture and technology.
Nice. Okay. So let me see the questions, because the questions here is only the programming, but okay. No problem, but you are learning. The second question, can you read, Flavia?
Have you heard of any new programming languages that are gaining popularity? I think Python, because the data, and the queries and in this business analysis. So I think Python for me is the most popular.
Yes, because of this data science, the people now you're using more, but it's gaining popularity. But the language that that I work at and I like it is JavaScript, and the language of the programming in web, web projects in web. Yes, and about you, Flavio?
I don't know. I think that is not some language that become popular. but I think Flutter, some
Luther.
Flutter, and some some technologies inside the Java is always uh, always becoming new. No, always starting. I don't know what to say it. Always Java always have new technologies inside our environment, and but I don't know. I think that ChatGPT is hot now.
Yes, 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 yes. ChatGPT. It's
Because I don't search about new languages because I wait the language enter in the market. After that I studied it because we have many technologies
yeah.
enter in the market, and I don't worry about this because if I will study a lot of this, I will become crazy. I will be crazy,
Yes, I agree with you.
and I wait the technology uh, to be uh, incorporated
Yeah,
to the market, and after this I study.
yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, yes.
In the
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
No.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
Do you think that in 10 years we still have to study and have to know language with the artificial intelligence?
I think sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the intelligence artificial don't make all things, and we have many uh, many technologies that's become one technology, and I think it's little difficult to integrate this, and in but if you uh, AI, AI or AI, você troca.
Artificial intelligence, AI.
AI build a software in this. For example, I don't think that is will happen. But if he will happen, uh, if we have the necessities, the
Necessaries.
necessaries, the change become change. If you for example, you are a fake client, your I think that you do it in your position. You test the app and you are simulating a client, how client is used.
Yes.
And if you wanna no, it's not work for me. I wanna a field here. I wanna change this field for change this color, and we have many codes. And I think if I don't know if I will say it for AI and you change it alone. I don't know, but I think no, but I I know I don't know if I am 100% sure.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is good. I like that, Flavia. think and ask a question. Yes. Because the conversation in English is that, is natural. It's definitely, I think that's need to flow the conversation, the thinking, because the real life, the real English is like this, happen like this, It's nice.
It's the main reason that I changed I was doing Cambly.
Oh, you are doing Cambly. Okay.
So, but Cambly is only 3 subjects, and we are doing 3 subjects for all time, and it's
good to know.
you be
No, I was interested, and I don't know. I have so many tools, so many apps, so many. I just lose my focus.
I'm too, and I cancel my Cambly to start at TALKNTALK because 2 reasons that I can exercise my English every day, and I think it's the most important thing that you have do when you are studying English.
Yes, good.
Yes. I'm in Rio de Janeiro, and next week we will have the Web Summit. I don't know if you know.
One person that my LinkedIn is searching Ingress.
Great.
If you wanna, I can share with you the post there, but the post is lost.
The post about what?
One person is searching. Será que?
No, because my startup was selected to have a stand to present the solution. So we will have the stand, and I'm afraid because I have to speak English.
Nice. Congratulations.
And we are writing, me and my colleague are writing some pitch in 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes to explain fast and have all words in my head. So I wanna to study all this weekend to have more, because I know I think that when we are practicing, we become warm and more easy and easy and easy. I think when you start to talk 30 minutes, so then we have to develop and the words come through more easier. So
it's the consistency. Consistency. Every single day, consistency.
I think that you will have many problems. I think that your English are good.
Thank you. I don't know, because it's in Rio, in Brazil, and this Web Summit come from Portugal. So I think there are a lot of Brazilians and Portuguese people. So I don't know if I have to speak English there, but I like to practice and have some experience. It's real good.
Nice.
And there are the master class and round tables. So I will looking for some opportunities to talk and practice and make some contacts and network.
Yeah.
It's good.
Go. Take this experience. It was awesome for you. Yes. So guys, let's continue. Have you worked of any programming projects outside of school and work? Okay, I will answer the questions. Okay, in the school, I think the first language that I learned was Java, but outside of my college, I work in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But HTML is not a language; it's a markup language of website. But is you need to this the two frameworks, CSS is a style sheet. I think that's your interior design, the web we need a decoration with website. So CSS working in this, the colors, the typography, images, it's nice. I love CSS. HTML. Yes, I like working on web. Yes, I like web and design. Yes. It's a project I worked in outside of my college.
We use some analogy in like a construction, like HTML is like a foundation, and then Java is like the installations, hydraulic and electric installations, and then the CSS is like painting and covering and decoration.
Yes. The programming, the languages work like a behavior, the things that you need to work. Yes, the language, okay, I needed to this button, make an action, go to other page, go to other thing, what happened in this app.
I can do another relations. I think that it's different in the JavaScript and Java.
Yes.
Java is backend and the JavaScript it's front end.
Okay.
If you have to have to have in your mind that front end is the language in the browser. Browser, browser one and browser, and the back end is, for example, I have front end always communicating with back end.
Yes.
But I think that another relation that I think that it's more clear that JavaScript is is a person that work in a house. JavaScript get a plate and put in the table, swap the route, and JavaScript move the things, and CSS is stable and HTML is stable. So are the things. HTML are the table, and JavaScript is, for example, JavaScript is the table and the plate. JavaScript is the person that gets the plate and put in the table.
Great.
JavaScript is movement. How Karina said is behavior.
Okay.
And you, Flavio, have you worked in any programming language outside Java? Other language that you work at in other project, not only the company, on the pro bono project, some other project that have you programming in other language?
No, because
no, only Java, always Java.
Yeah. I already programming another. No, I already program in C#.
C#, yes. Okay.
About 6 months, but I don't know if C# is the same way today. But I think C# is good. Is good language, but some things are paid. I worked with C# for 10 years, ago.
Mm.
But I don't think it's the same thing. But
Mm-hmm.
when I work Java, uh, the game free. When the game is free, you are playing the game, and when you pass the phrase and pass the phase,
Mm.
you can pay. Oh,
Okay, okay.
I did many things, and I did a connection with a database and don't have free connections. I wanna pay for this, and I
Mm.
I asked to my boss, and no, I am I'd be worried about it.
Oh, okay,
I'd be
okay. So
worried, angry about it.
yes, yes, no, so nice. So yes, C sharp or other language that you work it.
Yeah.
Good, good. C sharp. Ah, yes, I remember that I studied C sharp in a community that I participate like a volunteer, and we had study group with few women studying programming language and C sharp. We were, I think that I have this group C sharp. Yeah, I think it was 3 months. Yeah, 3 months or 4 months of study, but because of the marketing, the jobs, the contests, and you are live in the technologies, sometimes you need to change. Yes. Yeah.
I don't, I don't, I don't, I don't give the market changing. I always no, 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 no. I become in Java. I stay in Java.
Yes, yes, it's good. It's good because of focus. Your focus. Yes.
I
Is
want to become specialist. I think that
yeah.
with my
Yes.
experiences is bigger. My
Yeah.
payment is bigger.
I know.
If I changing
Yes.
every time, I know it can be special.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you're a specialist, so do you have certificate in Java?
I have
Java. Oh, okay,
I have
nice.
I have two certifications, but I did these certifications for 10 years ago. About it.
Okay, yes. I think that you need to renew.
I don't renew.
No, no renew.
No.
Okay, okay.
My certifications are old.
Yeah, okay. But the important that your experience and the
Yeah.
task that
Yeah.
you need to
In
um
in
uh
interview, we can say a lot of things, but the interview is only interesting in our experience. You can say,
yeah,
I studied it. Blah, blah, blah. No, no. What is this experience?
yeah.
Yeah,
The
it's my
important.
problem now. I'm doing a lot of courses in a
Mm.
platform named Awari. I don't know if you
Oh,
know
Wari,
about.
I think that enough.
Yeah, I'm just in the 8th month in this.
Okay.
I did a lot of course, but I don't have so many opportunities to practice this. In my startup, I have a limited work there, so I can't because we
Ah,
small and it's difficult
Mm.
to go to markets we and have so have
yeah.
clients, so
What
we
what
are oh,
what are you studying?
product owner, product marketing, product
Ah, okay.
management,
No, okay. I
and
think that
UX
you.
research.
What's
Now
the search?
I wanna know about many things. So build this superficial knowledge to,
Mm-hmm.
and then I want to choose the thing that I wanna to immerse and
You know.
study
Yeah.
more and practice. So I
If
have
you was studying some language, I I I would you say that to you, uh, build a project and put online. But
Yeah.
I think, I don't know, because you can work as a freelancer, and we can start many projects, and you can become pleno, medium. You can become medium alone. You can
Yes, I
solve
think
your own projects, but I don't know what you do when you project owner. But I think that you can help some companies voluntary.
yeah, I'm looking for that. I would like to experience this volunteer work, and yes, I'm looking, because for a programmer, as a programmer, I could build something alone, but as a product manager, product owner, I have to. I need a product to and a team to do something, and my team is so little because we
can have a client. You can get a client that you wanna build some app. I think that the mobile apps is more easy, because some medium companies has our mobile app. I think it is, you can sell and you can connect the client with the programs, and you can manage this. To start as once I already work in a company that builds small apps to mobile, and about the if you build a software that is about 2 million and 10 million and 50 million. I already learning I already hear about 20 million, but mobile, it's smallest price, and you can sell a mobile application for 50 million reals. I confused 50,000, and you can contact a programmer, and you if you know a client, you can manage this. Only I tip.
Nice.
Yes. The experience with pro bono projects, I think is a great start for you. Pro bono projects is good because you can put in practice your technologies, or the tips and the ideas that Flav said. But pro bono projects in a NGO, you can start. Yes, it's good. So at the moment, I'm working in a project like a pro bono is an NGO in Canada, because I want to put in practice my technology in UX designer in this project, so I created a team in the community that I participated, and we finished the project now, and now we doing all the design, all the things, the UX, the users, to study more about the users, the usability, and now we finished, I think this week, all the design, and now the design is ready to start developing the website. Yes, because this website was so ugly, so many problems, and you can help this NGO, and you help you to achieve your goals, you achieve your the things that you want to put in practice. I think the best thing. Yes.
Great, great.
Do you working for a Canada remote for a Canada?
No, I'm not working in a company in Canada. I'm working in a pro bono project, like a volunteer, for NGO in Canada, Toronto.
What's NGO?
NGO is ONG.
Ah, okay. Okay.
ONG.
Okay.
NGO. NGO is no profit organization, no profit organization. With profit, you get money.
Okay.
No profit is no get money, you know?
So what's the name of this NGO?
Is the second, I'm writing, the second chance. One moment.
I lived in Canada for 5 months in 2018. Finishing my master, I achieved a scholarship to finish my master in design.
Oh, nice.
So I lived there for 5 months. Was
yes.
Great.
So the NGO ONG, the name is the Second Chance Foundation. You know?
Great.
So because I participate in a community, that community for women technology, the name is Women Who Code. Women Who Code. It's a largest community for women technology. So I knew this team in the chat, in the Slack with this community, and I participated in a hackathon and develop a solution for this NGO. So after the hackathon, the NGO needed have this problem with this website. Oh, I have idea. Okay, I can develop your website. I can create your design. I can study about your website. Because for me, it's important, you know, and when I have a case studies to my portfolio, like a UX designer, you know, and I'm doing, when I work in real projects, is nice.
Yeah, because you have experience in programming.
Yeah,
but you don't have so much experience in UX.
UX designer. UI designer have more experience, but UX designer I didn't have more experience, and I love and I think so nice because I have experience in programming, and when I'm working at programming, I was only think, okay, but this is necessary because you know when you're working, when developing some solution for clients, I think that if you didn't study the necessaries with the users, you needed to develop again. So many problems, you know? Yes, and I was so interesting. I like so much, and because I'm deep focus now on study and work now in this area, UX designer, but I don't stop programming for me. Programming for me and some other project I want, or because for me it's important to know this technology in the programming, because you know when I was doing the design, okay, I know the space, I know, okay, this button is okay or no, because I'm thinking the programming. When I was designing, I may think the programming that was developed in designing. So it's important to have these two knowledges.
Yes, and good for you to have this knowledge, to have some difference to other UX designers. So it's
yes, and we have some situations that, okay, I want this solution, I have this consume the API with the social media, something like this. Okay, but doing these, we need the back end, you know? I know about that. And so when you have these solutions, the technologies is important to I think that you can offer more ideas about it. Yes.
In software development, we can have many gaps. And how you say it, you wanna know the entire cycle. Your and in technology, we have managers and these architects that never be a developer. And he always say something wrong. It's very boring. They don't understand nothing. And I had a boss that's not understand nothing that I say it, and I will become I explain to him, explain again, and it didn't.
It's
He
difficult.
don't. It's very bug. If a person know uh, something about your profession, it's very good because uh, the person can understand about our cycle of the development.
Yes. And I think that I can add something that you have more argument, you know?
Yeah,
You have more
yeah,
argument.
yeah.
The argument is important in
But
this case.
I have one experience to share with
Mm-hmm.
you. Uh, I worked in the advertisement agence, advertisement agence,
Public,
publicity agent,
agents,
publicity
agents, public.
agent, agents public,
Agents market, yes.
uh, agents
Mm.
market. And in the start of the project, had only UX designer,
Oh, one?
only one, and this one is always in contact with the client, and
Okay.
the client ask to the UX do it for me, do it for me, do it for me, and
Mm.
the 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 UX is doing everything that the client ask, and
Mm-hmm.
it's only an image. It's not a software. And after, if you build, if you can build a software after this, we will have 10 developers and one project manager and
Mm-hmm.
three, four front ends. Is a big software that you should drop.
Oh my God.
And after this, the development for terrible, for frightened
Oh my God. Yes,
was
difficult. It's difficult when you have the working these teams that um
I
the
think that
activities,
I
the
think that
activities.
all technology world was suffering because have a lot of new professionals because many people have a
entering.
transition career,
Mm-hmm.
so have in programming have new professionals that don't know the don't have experience and don't have experience to work well, and like a UX designer have people come from other disciplines like
Psychology.
psychologists and anthropologists and other and and it's difficult to become a designer thinker, to
Mm.
have a think like a designer is looking for why I'm doing this, why I
Mm.
have to project this, why people are asking me for builds this because the clients don't know what they want.
But but in this case, it's not the problem because all things that the client was asking are features are good features, No, the problem was the marketing company saw a software for 50,000, for example, and okay, I saw what software, a software, and after this, the U6 draw all companies, all software, and draw big software. And after this, the money that the company pay to not pay the software, not pay the software.
Yes, it's so cheap.
Yeah,
it's so cheap.
The software to build that what the you should draw, we can have about 15 developers. And the money is, and after this, we have many fights.
Yes, I promise.
It's terrible.
Yes, to sell something that the now skills and team to develop this. I think that's it that I was saying.
I think that is advice for you, Flava, when you become a project manager, because project managers make it all time. Oh, it is easy. It's no, it's smooth.
Yes, you can do this one day.
One day.
Flavia,
I can imagine.
Flavia, don't do this.
Okay,
I think that's important because of this. Flavia said, because important, each professional know a little about the real the work of your friend. For example, you're a project manager, but how it works the life, the programming. Okay, I think that I can learn a program a little, because I think that when you practice a little, some experience, a little experience in this area, in each area, you have more notion about the real of this professional,
because I'm doing a lot of course to have this vision, but programmer, I think so hard, so difficult. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can. Maybe I'll try, maybe.
Okay.
So I don't know. I would like to share my LinkedIn.
Yes.
And we can meet
Connect.
there. I would like to know more about this pro bono works. I would like to.
You can share your LinkedIn.
Yes, I will share my LinkedIn.
Great.
Flavia, yes, and another Flavio. Yes, I share my LinkedIn. Guys, I share put in the chat. I put in the survey. So if you like this conversation, if you don't like, if you have some other suggestion, another topic that we're talking about and on Friday, so it's great to receive your suggestions and recommendation. Okay,
you always in this talk on Friday?
On Friday only. It's always Friday 9 a.m. on Friday. I'm here talking about technology, subject about technology.
Great, good to know.
Okay. So guys, nice to meet you, Flavia and Flavia.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye bye. Have a nice weekend for everyone.
Have a nice weekend.
Okay.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.